welcome back to my channel. I am very excited about today's video, and today is gonna be a fun video for you guys. So I feel like red velvet cake, red velvet cupcakes, red velvet anything is honestly one of the best desserts for Valentine's Day, especially if you don't want to do like chocolate covered strawberries or anything like that. You cannot go wrong with red velvet cupcakes. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do red velvet cupcakes. And I had so much fun doing this, especially decorating the top of the cupcakes with the little Valentine's Day sprinkles. That was so much fun. And so I just feel like this is a perfect dessert for you and your significant other on Valentine's Day, or you and your girlfriends, or if you want to be fat like me, you can make them for yourself. So if you guys want to learn how to do red velvet cupcakes, then please keep watching.
So the first thing we're going to do is combine 2 cups of white sugar and 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Once you have that combined, add in 2 eggs that are room temperature. Okay guys, so if you don't have any buttermilk, you can definitely make your own, and that's basically what I did. You're gonna add in 1 cup of buttermilk, and I will leave a recipe down below. Next, you want to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And make sure you guys get the good kind, not the cheap kind, okay? After that, go ahead and add your red food coloring. I know it says 1 ounce, but I actually eyeballed it. I didn't use the whole bottle, so it's really honestly up to you how much you want to add. Next, mix in 1/2 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of white distilled vinegar. Now onto the dry ingredients, add in 2 cups of all-purpose white flour. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay guys, because it is Valentine's Day, I had to get these super cute cupcake liners with the hearts at the bottom and on the sides. So I'm basically going to line my baking dish with the liners. Don't forget to spray them, and then we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of a mixture to each cupcake liner. it's time for my favorite part, the cream cheese frosting. We're gonna start off with 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, softened, and make sure you guys it's at room temperature, and then 1 ounce of cream cheese at room temperature as well. So guys, I definitely do recommend to mix the powdered sugar and the butter first. I accidentally did not do that, so it was definitely harder to mix in the cream cheese and it became pretty messy and everything, but you basically want to mix it into a consistency like this, and don't forget to not over mix. Now it's time to decorate! Definitely make sure to let these cool for about 15-20 minutes. Grab your piping bag, stuff it with the frosting, get a nice cute decorating tip, and start icing your cupcakes any kind of way that you want. So these are the sprinkles I'm going to be using. You guys, I love these sprinkles simply because of the heart-shaped sprinkles. I definitely wanted to get one that represented Valentine's Day, and I found these, and I think these just went perfect with my cupcakes.
Okay guys, so these are the cupcakes. These look so pretty, I don't want to eat it. Like, I always get nervous when I bake. I'm gonna try one, y'all. Okay. Okay. All moist and bright. Whew. Okay. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay. All right. Okay, so if you're gonna be celebrating Valentine's Day by yourself and you want to be fat like me, eat a whole plate of these. I kind of want a third one.